Kimi has just released Kimi Claw, which is like OpenClaw, but it runs in your browser and it does not require any complicated setup. If you are living under a rock and you don't know what OpenClaw is, so OpenClaw is basically an autonomous AI agent which was launched just a few weeks ago, but it just dominated the entire AI agents market. So Kimi Claw is equipped with all of the functionalities of OpenClaw, and you can directly start using it right now within just like a couple of seconds. Just go to kimi.com, sign up, and then just go to Kimi Claw tab, and then you can just start using it right away. And just like OpenClaw, you can connect Kimi Claw directly with your WhatsApp and with your Telegram as well. By the way, if you don't know about Kimi, Kimi is owned by Moonshot AI, which is a leading Chinese AI company backed by Alibaba. So Moonshot AI did something radical. They took the entire OpenClaw framework and then put it natively inside browser-based AI, which is Kimi. As I mentioned earlier, so rather than setting up OpenClaw on your computer and then giving it access to your entire workstation, and there is a very high chance that your private data can be leaked through OpenClaw. There are a lot of incidents reported online where OpenClaw basically leaked some personal information of somebody or just mass deleted the entire data and emails. So this problem can be solved using Kimi Claw, because now you are using it inside a browser in a very controlled environment. You are just giving it some certain specific tasks and it does not have access to your entire workstation. You can fully control what Kimi Claw can access and what it cannot access. So Kimi Claw is not just a simple chatbot, it's a persistent autonomous AI agent that works for you 24/7, and it comes with a suite of incredible features. The first and most important feature is engine itself. It has a massive 1 million token context window and 40 gigabytes of cloud storage. That means it can read and remember enormous amount of information, entire code bases, research papers, or your company's financial data as well. Another most important feature is its access to ClawHub. ClawHub is basically an app store for your AI agent. It is a library of over 5,000 community built skills that instantly connects your agent to the outside world. Let's suppose if your AI agent needs to analyze data in Google Sheet, there is a skill for that. Or maybe your AI agent wants to generate images, there is a skill for that. You can just go to clawhub.ai and explore all of these different skills in here. So Kimi Claw has access to ClawHub, which is already a fastest growing, basically an app store for OpenClaw. And for professionals, Kimi Claw offers pro-grade search. This is not just a simple web search. It fetches live structured data from reliable sources like Yahoo Finance. So now let's just go ahead and start using Kimi Claw. So as I mentioned, you can just go to kimi.com/bot, or just go to kimi.com, sign up, and then you can just go to Kimi Claw in here. Once you are here, you can just set up your Kimi Claw AI agent. I have already set up that, but let me just quickly restart Kimi Claw. So I'm just going to click on this restart instance, or maybe I can just click on delete and delete the existing Kimi Claw agent and then create a new one. So here you can see this is the fresh screen that you'll see as soon as you'll just click on this Kimi Claw, and here you can just click on this create, or maybe link an existing OpenClaw. So if you have already deployed OpenClaw AI agent, you can link that too, but I'm just going to create a new Kimi Claw in here and just use Kimi Claw in here. So you can see it is starting up. So this setup process takes only 60 seconds, in fact less than that. So let's just wait for it. So now you can see there is an update available for Kimi Claw. I can simply just click on this upgrade button. Now it is upgrading Kimi Claw plugin, and let's just wait for it. There you go, your Kimi Claw AI agent is ready. Now you can just like directly start assigning it the tasks, or you can ask it to set up maybe a Telegram bot, or maybe you can set up your WhatsApp as well. So you can give it tasks like maybe something, send me AI news every day at 9 a.m. You can just like give it this task, and Kimi Claw will execute this task and it will send you news every morning at 9 a.m. If you want to connect it with Telegram, so I have just asked it how to connect it with Telegram. So the simple step is you can create a Telegram bot via bot father. So just open Telegram on your phone, and then after that just search for bot father, then just send this message /new bot. It will create a new bot, and then after that it will give you this sort of like API token. So you can copy that token and then you can just run that inside this terminal. So this terminal is available in here. You can just run that in here, and then your Telegram will be connected. If you don't want to do all of those steps by yourself, so you can just provide the bot token in here, and then you can just press enter. So this is my actual bot token. I'm just going to delete this bot, by the way, after this video, so please do not try to copy this token. So what it is going to do, it is just going to configure Telegram and restart the gateway. So it is going to do that step for you automatically. So you can see the Telegram is configured, and now it will restart the gateway to apply these changes. So yeah, this is how easy and simple it is now for everyone to use OpenClaw, because a lot of non-technical people were actually unable to use OpenClaw due to the difficulties of setting up everything and then maybe deploying it on a private VPS. So Kimi Claw actually solves all of those issues, and now you can directly start using Kimi Claw inside your web browser without you need to like be any technical at all. So just go to kimi.com/bot and start using it absolutely right now. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.